Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Vscode, Python 3, 8 or newer, and a working terminal. Create a project folder and a virtual environment so dependencies stay isolated. Once done, open that folder in Vscode and install the Python and Jupyter extensions from the Extensions view. These provide the kernel bridge and notebook UI. Make sure your path points to the virtualenv Python interpreter, so notebooks run against the right environment and packages install locally. Now you configure the interpreter and kernel so notebooks execute correctly. In Vscode, select the virtual environment interpreter from the status bar or command palette. This tells Vscode which Python to use. Install Jupyter and ipykernel inside that venv so kernels are available. Then create or open a notebook. Use the kernel picker at the top right to choose the venv kernel. This ensures imports and installed packages resolve the same as running scripts locally. Finish by running cells and managing output. Use Shift+Enter for single cells and run all for full execution, and save your notebook frequently. Export to Py or HTML for sharing and enable autosave if preferred. If execution fails, first reselection of the interpreter often fixes mismatches. Next, reinstall ipykernel inside the active venv and restart the kernel. If problems persist, restart Vscode or the machine. These steps resolve environment and lock issues in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.